Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how you can move green screens from your images and replace them with attractive backgrounds. So to do this, we're going to be using some software called Greenbucket. You can download that at http://greenbucket.today. So inside Greenbucket you'll notice that it has layers. You can add new layers here. But for now, all I want you to do is select the content layer so that it shows a grey background. And then I want you to press Image in the toolbar, press Import, and import your green screen image. Now I want you to go to Chroma Key in the Properties by here. And you'll notice that it's kind of got rid of the green screen, but it's left some stuff behind. There's an advanced mode for handling this. Press the advanced mode. Select your green screen. And then adjust these bars until you can see the green screen disappear. That seems like a good result. Press apply. Now select your background layer. Go to Image, Import, and select your background. That looks great, but there's a few problems. We can see that it's removed the green logo. To solve this, press the green paintbrush, hover over the pixels, and you'll see that it'll show what it's going to restore it to if you left click. So this is the restore tool. Simply left click and drag on this logo and watch it restore itself back to the original green logo. Once you're happy with the result, press File, Export, and use these bars to make the red rectangle in the image. Once you're ready, press Save and save it to the desktop.